Hi guys, welcome back to Derby Koi. The weekend, and I've come to the koi collection open day. I'm really looking forward to it. Just took the bread pudding in and the brownies. And look, just one more koi, I promise. You see that? Now this was from a friend of ours, good friend in America, from Maureen and Keefes Koi Haven. So I want to say thank you to Maureen for that. She sent it over for Christmas, and thought I'd wear it today. Perfect opportunity, and it's a good opportunity to wish Maureen a happy birthday. It's actually her birthday. I think it's today. So I don't know when this video is going out, but happy birthday, Maureen. Hope you have a fantastic time, and thank you for the present she sent over at Christmas. Absolutely fantastic. So it hasn't even opened yet, and there's people already here. We've got a few people here already, which we'll show you later. So let's get in there and get things set up, and catch you in a bit. Okay guys, so as you can see, look, it's absolutely packed outside, and there's quite a few inside as well. We'll have a walk round in a minute and have a look at some of the fish. There he is, been there, diva of the years. As you can see, look, there's a few waiting. There's Paula from Paula and Keith's Pond. Fantastic artist there. Fantastic. As you can probably see, look at one of my old videos of that canvas from that. Absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, I'll get inside and we'll have a look around in there in a minute.
Basically wants to be in a video.
We've got a big, we wanted a big one.
Ma'am.
So we actually found mine that's got these white.
Oh, sorry.
So where is it now? If you can get away with going more than 1.8 wide, you're making a long corridor.
Now they're either queuing to look at the fish or queuing for the bread pudding and brownies. Probably a bit of both. But some beautiful fish. Lovely goshki still, which I think no one's actually sold. It's a shame. So I know somebody else was after that one, but that one's gone, I think. And some beautiful Tenjo goshki as well. Look at the picture it's took of me. Makes me look better. Let's go and have a look at these rats up here, shall we?
Yeah, well, I don't like doing that.
Look on behind me. There he is, look. Top man there. Top man. Not him, obviously.
Boy, follow me around.
What have we got in here? Some Prachinas. Couldn't be clear, that's £25 each. We'll put the air back on. Oh, lots of showers and the Sankeys.
Oh, look. There's a bad look. There's a big spider.
Looking like you've got stuff in his face.
Can't talk. You've waited a long time for that selfie, haven't you? I have. Took me 45 minutes to do it. They've just come through quarantine and all, you know what I mean?
They've been heat ramps.
Yeah.
You had the bread pudding, yeah?
I've got one in my pocket to take home for the missus. Someone's got one right away.
Well, that's it. He's going to be standing around the way, doing.
Hold on. No, go AJ.
I mean, I'm all
Let AJ
the
put
points as well. It's like a tent, pop-up tent. Right out of it. I had a speech to come and put it over there.
Yes.
Can you introduce yourself? This is Steve.
It's Perky, Steve.
Steve from Koi Services.
Koi Services, absolutely. And just caught me having a cigarette outside. You legends, you legends. I've got a t-shirt for you, mate.
Oh, lovely. Oh, don't tell Anthony, he'll get upset.
So I've only got a certain one, so
Fantastic, thank you very much,
no
sir.
problem at all.
Thank
It's
you.
a pleasure watching the channel.
So how can people get, obviously through YouTube, if they need any services?
Yeah,
and what
yeah,
does
so-
it do? What can you do for them? If
Well, just anything to help the koi community, really. I'm happy to give advice on parasites, injuries, stuff like that, building ponds, measuring how to measure your pond, anything. So, yeah, you can contact me through, leave me a comment on one of the videos. I can try and make them informal, so but also at the same time funny. So you'll probably see me normally with a big black coffee in my hand or something like that. So, yeah, just try and make it entertaining and educational, just to brighten people up, because the community, the koi community is fabulous. Like everyone that you meet in the koi world.
absolutely, that really is
Really
great community to
yeah,
get involved in. Really is.
Definitely. So,
Have you got a website or?
no website, guys. Just
So basically through YouTube
yeah, I've
and.
got YouTube, I've got Instagram, I've got Facebook, but I don't really go on them much. But you can message me through any of them.
Well, I'll put a link for your channel down in the description. So anything you need koi service inside of it, get in touch with them.
Superb.
Fantastic.
Pretty much the same content, but just like more.
One of the guys be ready to talk about do that.
I won't be sitting tall.
Yeah, I've got one and pocket one because I've been shooting back on. Spinning time. The next thing off, we're going to do is a cattle, follow the bomb. The wind block.
Now one is a bit embarrassing.
Look how long it took to You're all right, Fred? I'll smoke for a bit, it's very good.
But
We sat 2.5 hours.
It was him that got me onto an exercise. I was going to have a good at mulching.
Sold his dog baths. Hello.
And now he's having a big day. I think he ate too many hot dogs.
Okay guys, so just got back from the open at the koi collection. Had an absolutely fantastic day. Really thoroughly enjoyed it. Met loads of people, lots of chats. Really good turnout today. So big thank you to everybody who came down to support the open day at the koi collection. And like I said, it was an absolutely fabulous day. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know some of you couldn't make it. You said you was going to come. Unfortunately you couldn't make it for one reason or another. But like I say, fantastic day. Couple of thank yous as well. Obviously massive thank you to Ken and the team down at the koi collection for all they've done, putting the hot dogs and drinks on and stuff, and hosting the event. Absolutely fantastic. So I want to say firstly to Koi Services, thank you mate. Steve for the t-shirt. As I said, I'll put a link for his channel down in the description. Pop on over and check him out, tell him Bisley sent you. Also, or Tuck and Bisley, I want to say a massive thank you to Andy and Rebecca and Jacob for the toys and the treats you brought for him, and for everybody else who brought treats for him as well. A couple of others brought treats, so massive thank you for that. It's always appreciated. And I want to say thanks to Phil at Telford Koi Pond. I've got his new mugs. That's 2 I've got from Phil now. I've got to find room for all these. I've got to sort these mugs out and get these up. So Phil, thanks for that as well. And a link to Phil's channel will be in the description down below. Pop on over and check him out. Yeah, so as I said, fantastic day. I will speak to Ken again, obviously, if he's wants to put anything else on this year. But I did have a bit of a chat with him. I know he has got something, hopefully, in the pipeline. Don't know if it's going to come off yet, so I'm not going to say anything on that at the moment until things are sorted. If it does, don't know if it'll be this year. It might be next year, but hopefully, if he does what we're talking about, it should be a good one. But you never know. It might not happen, but hopefully it will. So yeah, fantastic time. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Pop on over to Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. And as always, until the next one, stay safe, jobs are good.